Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use the Robinhood app. Robinhood is a popular investment platform that allows users to buy and sell stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies with zero commission fees. To get started, first download the Robinhood app from the App Store or Google Play Store and create an account. Once you have created your account, you will need to fund it by linking your bank account or other payment methods. This will allow you to deposit money into your Robinhood account, which you can then use to make investments. The home screen of the Robinhood app displays your portfolio, which shows the current value of your investments. You can also view your watch list, which is a list of stocks or other investments that you are interested in but have not yet purchased. To buy a stock, simply search for the company name or ticker symbol in the search bar at the top of the screen. This will take you to the company's page, where you can view current and historical price data, as well as other relevant information. From here, you can choose to buy the stock by selecting the buy button and entering the amount you wish to purchase. In addition to buying stocks, Robinhood also allows users to buy and sell options. Options are contracts that give the holder the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a stock at a specified price. To buy an option, navigate to the Options section of the app and select the stock you are interested in. From here, you can view current option prices and choose to buy a call or put option. Another key feature of the Robinhood app is the ability to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. To do this, navigate to the cryptocurrency section of the app and select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy or sell. From here, you can view current prices and choose to buy or sell the cryptocurrency. When using the Robinhood app, it is essential to keep in mind some best practices. First, make sure to do your research before making any investment. This includes reading news and analysis about the company or investment, as well as viewing historical price data. It is also important to diversify your portfolio by investing in a variety of different stocks and other investments. Finally, be aware of the risks associated with investing, and never invest more money than you can afford to lose. By following these best practices and using the Robinhood app effectively, you can make informed investment decisions and achieve your financial goals.